In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain for your membership site. So let's go ahead and navigate to our settings by clicking on settings on the top right, and we're going to scroll down to our domain settings over here. Currently it's set to no, so we are going to say yes. We are going to assign a domain to our membership site. Now, of course, this isn't something you have to do. This is optional. So if you want this to appear like a completely separate site to your business site, then this is when you might want to do this. So let's go ahead and create a custom domain. Currently, our default domain is dogtraining101 at my default domain name there. But I want to create a custom domain. So now I could create a domain and then choose that domain from a dropdown. So I can go to a domain registrar, buy a new domain, link that up to the system, and have that domain linked specifically to this membership site. Alternatively, if I've just got my domain and I want to use that, I can then use the subdomain section, and then I would come in and put in my custom domain. So in this case, it's dogtraining101, and then choose my domain that I've added to the system, which in this case is demo.com. So that is how you can go ahead and create a domain or subdomain for your membership site. Now, if you do want to know how to set up domains properly, please go and watch our training dedicated to setting up domains. And if you feel like it's a little bit too complicated still and you just need some help from an actual person, please reach out to our support team by clicking on the question mark icon and submitting a support ticket. Someone will then be able to help you with whatever issues you are facing. But that is the basics of setting up a domain for your membership site. Once you're all done, you're going to go ahead and hit save to make sure those changes have been saved. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to manage student enrollment and engagement in your programs. I'll see you there.